Right here in my hands, I'm holding one of the most beautiful and stunning Halloween books created by a super special friend and student, Jody Gears. I actually had the pleasure of meeting her at the in-person live class here in Central Valley, California. We had an absolute blast, but I cannot wait to show you what she brought along to the show and tell table. She used Carta Halloween papers. Absolutely love the way that she got this cut apart or image from the paper collection and backed it on some of this red cardstock and popped it up. She's got a cute little open space here for a photo or even journaling, and then a couple little stickers there. Unreal. It's got that nice traditional texture with really heavyweight paper that Carta always delivers on. Jody, it's an absolute pleasure to be flipping through your book today. Thank you again so much. I can't wait to share all the inspo in here for everyone to see. Oh my gosh, right off the bat, I got to flip through this during the class, but check this out. Beautiful angled pocket. Jody, you're incredible. Her matting skill is seriously off the hook, and I love her style. Okay, the moon in the back, so it's double-sided papers. I didn't know that. And look at these little pumpkins. I mean, she added a cute little sticker here, backed it on some black cardstock, and it's got a little working belly band as well. Those little pumpkins are so super happy and cute. There's something about pumpkin faces that I don't know. But Jody, that is adorable. She's got a nice strip of the design paper here. And then right here is the first page. So this is a nice pocket page if you've never seen this album, or if you're interested in taking the tutorial, I'll leave a link down in the description for you to check out. So she's got this beautiful baker's twine in a black and, oh wow, black and orange comes right out of the eyelets there. I mean, let's get a quick close shot here. Look how gorgeous. We've got a sticker here and some more fun. Love that spider web she actually captivated right there on this flap. So we've got some tags in here. Wow, she pieced together all these little, okay, that looks like it might have been from the sticker page. It's like a little border strip, place for journaling on the back. Let's Get Spooky was some kind of sticker too, and she totally took advantage of that there. Customized her own. Keep Outdoor right there. Wow, that's cute. And she topped it with some more of that baker's twine. This opens up again. And then a little side pocket. Oh, wow, I love it. Looks like these little signs. She's got these little stickers mounted on some black. Boo to you. Look at that pretty paper. Wow. I'm astonished. This came together beautifully, Jody. Wow, look at this. She's got this wonderful banner and a nice matte little brad right here with a twist tie swing closure right here. Beautiful little 2x2 spots. Eek. Okay, this paper. Wow, this is so cute. Oh, love this design. She kind of cut into the paper there and then added one of those 3x4 cards. Cute little sticker and a place for a picture. And let's not forget there's a pocket. And look at this. This is what tripped me out. She created this gorgeous spread right here. We got that wonderful tab punch by Stampin' Up. And she's actually a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so I got to talk to her in class. Look at the way she did this. She cut along here and actually let the broom be exposed, and this is jumping right onto the black cardstock. Genius. I've never seen anything like that be done. And a gorgeous simplicity on the back there. This just slides right back in here. And if you've never actually taken a class with me before, I'll go ahead and leave a free one up here for you to take, just so you can understand my teaching style and see if it's something you can learn from. I mean, is this not fun or what? This all closes right back up. I have never felt such a quality swing tab right there. She made that herself. These go back in. And then this ties up. How fantastic is that? Right here on the back, there's a beautiful, love that sticker right there on this little magnetic band, which totally releases these little waterfalls. Trick or treat, cute little wallet-sized picture mat spots right here. And then there's a little pinwheel in here as well. I just love how many times this one flips. Broom parking, all others will be towed. That is hilarious. And then there's a cute little insert on the side. She popped up a ghost inside of, I've never seen that. I did not catch that during the live class. Wow. Love how she created her own little guy here. Totally decorated. This slips right back in. That being dimensionalized just blew my mind right now. I never thought that could be possible. For some reason, I always think I should only do dimensional foam tape on different spots of a book. Okay, here, whoa. Let's just go ahead and get a close-up here. Jody, this is just I almost don't have any more words left. I love how you use that matte white brad right here and some super high contrasting yarn. And then we've got a flap that goes up and down. Picture spots, love the fun. Oh my gosh, look at all this. I'm like in a Halloween spook house right now. This just feels, I love the vibes right now. This is another popped up little sticker here. I believe she backed that on something to be able to kind of get that on there. Scary Sights, Haunted House. Is this not like the funnest thing? Look at these tags coming out. Oh, what is this? Okay, question. These are adorable. These kind of like paper sticker page protector. I've never seen that. Okay. What a great way to use a big sticker. I've always wondered what to do with these big stickers, and I just found out what we can do. Put them on a tag. Jody, this is an incredible inspiration. I love how you just decked out your guy there with a cute little, I never thought to put actually a sticker on one of these either. That is way too cute. This is popped up. I might just, that is so cool. I didn't notice all these little details because I was just so excited to meet everybody. We had 15 students. There's going to be another live class. Look how this opens up in the year 2026, so keep your eye out for that. Whoa, whole spread here. I mean, this is just outstanding. This totally twists back over to keep that flap totally engaged there. And then these come over. Love that flower paper. Jody, you just blew my mind. And I know you just blew everybody else's. This has been such an honor to be. Wait till this next one you see she made too. She allowed me to borrow these so I can share them with you guys. I know how much inspiration you're going to be getting from her books. She's an absolute incredible artist. Jody, thank you so much again. It's just been an absolute pleasure to meet you in person, and I just had way too much fun, and your book is just outstanding. I love it so much. And I love you. Thank you everyone so much for watching. And Jody, big hugs to you. I'll see you all on my next one.